Hello muchachos, we're gonna be going through 9 very nice trades we took on USD CAD. So let's begin. So what was the overall momentum? It has been going down and down and down, so for at least a few days. This is the 6-minute chart. So it's been going down. So what that means, we're going to be looking for primarily sells, but also keep an eye out for the the upticks, the going up trend, because at some point it's gonna go up, that's for sure. So first trade is actually a buy. So let's see what's up. As soon as we saw this little is it a hammer? It's probably a hammer. We started looking for a buy. We're like, okay, but we don't have the confirmations here on the William. It's still below the moving average, and here there's no crossover. The VWAP is in the minuses. Here the VWAP is going up, that's good. Here the VWAP has finally crossed over. This is where we entered. We have the confirmations here. 1 of our indicators, 2, that arrow, the VWAP, 3, and we're bouncing off the 50 EMA. So that's 4 indicators. We took the buy and the 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Pretty fucking good. And next we got a sell. We got, let's see all the sell signals. So after these sell signals, we were looking for a sell. I guess we didn't get in here, but here's the 4th sell with the, damn, I'm not sure why we took this one, but 1, 2, 3. I mean, oh yes, after this big up, but after this long wick, it was more of a gut feeling, on intuition, that all of this whole price here, all this price that it just rammed through, it's gonna correct back, and it corrected back heavily. You see, it went way down. So we took this one, I remember, we took it on intuition with these sells and this huge uptick that we're like, okay, it's gonna correct itself out, and we were aiming to just scalp it down to to right here, but we kept the trade going, and good for us because it played out. So that was more of an intuition, plus it's like a reversal. It's just a standard reversal, so we took it. Now here's a good trade, a trade that we should be taking more often. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 VWAP crossed over way over here, and William is above. Boom. That sell we did not take. So after the buy, we're looking for a sell, and we're mostly looking for a sell with these because of that big trend there. So let's see where it's 1 red one. We have the little diamond there, and we got these cells. Probably got in somewhere here. So 1 diamond, 2 VWAP, and over here the William finally went into negatives, and we took the trade. Here would have been a nice sell, but I guess we did not take it. The blood diamond, sell, sell, sell. Another one, VWAP crossing over, and William crossing over. Would have been a beautiful sell. So, if anybody wants the indicators, I will send you all 10 of these indicators so you could scalp. And not only scalp, but this works on the hourly chart, the 2-hour chart, the day chart probably. I don't trade on the day chart. I check the day chart, but I don't trade on the day chart. more of a scalper. Alright, let's see this trade. 1, 2, these ones, previous ones, 3, 4, VWAP is above, Williams is above, and we got a green dot here. That's like 7 confirmations. We take it. Our stop loss, we put it on a bit under the previous lows being here and here. We put it way over here. If we have a big stop loss, like a pretty, that means we're gonna take a smaller like position, you know what I mean? So whenever it's at 1-to-1 risk to reward, we're gonna be looking to close about 80% of the trade. Here we have 1.3 risk to reward. Not bad. Is that my cat? Ah, my fucking cat. Okay, we have a few trades here. Okay, one sec, Mozart. His name's Mozart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sell. Whoops. And the Williams is under. We had a red dot here, and it's overbought here. These are RSIs saying it's overbought. Boom. Is this the last one? No. Here, pretty standard. 1, 2, 3. It's a nice grouping here. We got the red dot way over here and a big red dot. And as soon as the Williams started to go into negatives under our moving average, we took it, and it was a beautiful sell. And as soon as we have a nice little trend on, this is the 6 minute, but once again, as soon as there's a nice little trend of selling and we close it, we're looking for that buy to go, you know, go through the levels that it just, you know, it just trended through. So it's gonna come back to check those levels out, you know, it usually does. It doesn't just go off into like new levels, it usually corrects back, and this is what it did. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, that little arrow, we can't see it. 4, this one, VWAP crossing over, and Williams was above. We took it, we put the stop loss right under the, you know, the previous low, just this low. Here's a good low too, but we put it under this one. Just because the chances of it going like under, if it goes under this candle, then that's it. It's probably going to continue going down, but it did not. Okay, I'm going to go let my cat in. 1, 2, red dot, VWAP crossing over. That's like 6 confirmations. Boom, that's pretty much it, boys. Whoever wants these indicators, fucking message me. Send me an email. You're gonna be blasting through these trades with ease. Aight, peace out, Holmes.